I just took it out. I ended up setting base timing at 12. It seems to run good, but it still feels like it's running rich. First gear burnout, second gear chirp, and a hard third hit. Not as much power than the engine looks like it has, but it's a nice cruiser. I got to get this out of here, and the reason why is the next video's coming up. When I left this morning driving, or yesterday morning driving that, I had a full clutch pedal. By the time I got home, I was grinding gears and I only had an inch of travel at the bottom, or engagement at the bottom. I'm not looking forward to pulling the clutch and transfer case out of that, or transmission and tranny. This is where I need a hoist. Jesus. Well, the vet is out of the garage, and I just had to start this in gear. I've got like a half inch of pedal travel. At least it barely disengages. I'm gonna crawl under this and see what mess I got into, because if I don't think I can do this on the ground, I'm gonna buy a hoist. Fuck it. I'm done. I'm getting too old for this shit. And I gotta get this garage door shut and the humidifier on. Oh yeah. That clutch is not disengaging. I got it all the way to the floor and it's still rolling. Okay. Wish me luck. Well, the more I thought about my predicament, the more I thought maybe it's not the clutch. Maybe it's the slave cylinder. So I've crawled down underneath here and I got wetness coming out of the bell housing. I pulled the cylinder out. There is some clutch material or a dead rat on the rod. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the distance from the housing to the fork, and that's it. It should just be a little bit more than an inch, I think. I'll have to check on it. So if that fork's in farther, then I might have a bent fork, or I'm back to the clutches going bad. I wasn't smelling clutch, so this is going to take some diagnosing. I just ordered a new slave cylinder kit. It was $100 Amazon. That's going to be the cheapest route to go. I would have replaced it anyways if I was going to get in there and do the clutch. And I got prices on hoists. I'm getting too old for crawling on the ground. It never ends. Well, it has for today. I'm going for the strong stuff. That's 6.2. Yeah. There's another 6.2. Okay. 6.2, 16 ounce.